Hi everyone, and welcome to the DuraWRX Bench, your source for all DEF header and sensor related topics. My name is Andy. Today we're going to be discussing how to replace your DEF header in a 6-gallon DEF tank that's used in 2017 Freightliner and Western Star applications. So let's jump into it. This is a DEF header. It's used inside of this DEF tank, and it's responsible for measuring the fluid level, the temperature, and the quality of the DEF in the tank. It also takes that signal from those sensors and sends it to the ECM. Today we're going to be replacing this into this tank. So let's begin that process. So for the ease of this demonstration, we've already removed the bolts that are holding this head unit down in place. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this head unit from the tank. Just make sure when you're using the pry bar not to damage any of the sealing surface on the tank. Once you get this started, you can pull this head unit out and work it out. And now you've got your head unit out to replace it with your new DuraWRX head unit. Now for comparisons, we've got the OE head unit that we just pulled from that tank and compare it to our DuraWRX head unit. As you can see, the length and everything is similar, and we've got the same connection features. What you're going to want to do anytime you're replacing any head unit is to make sure that your electrical connections are the same and your fitting connections are all matching up as well. So with this tank, you will notice a couple features that you'll have to navigate when you're installing your new head unit. There are a couple pass-throughs in this tank which allow for the connection of the mounting bracket holding this tank into the vehicle. And there's also this depression here where the mounting bracket sits in. With this, you'll have to navigate the foot of the header between these pass-throughs and in this narrow section of the tank. You will notice that the fit is tight, but the header is designed to be a drop-in replacement. All the head units shipped will have some protective covers on the connectors. Before you begin your rig installation, make sure to remove all protective covers from the fittings. So with your DuraWRX header, you're going to want to insert the foot of the head unit into the tank opening, angling the head unit forward. You're going to drop this down into the tank, and then you're going to get down to this narrow section. Continue dropping this in, making sure you get it in between those pass-throughs. I'm right at the narrow section now, and you can see that there is room within this tank. Continue lowering the head unit down, angling this flange down forward, and then you can push down to completely seat this head unit into the tank. To complete your installation, all that you have to do now is reinstall your bolts that are holding this and torque it down to the recommended manufacturer's torque requirements. Well, that's it, everyone. You've now replaced the DEF header in your 6-gallon DEF tank. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on our next episode of the DuraWRX Bench. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our other social media platforms. Look forward to seeing you next time.